Good day everyone. Welcome to Sourcing Classes. This is Hima Hegde presenting before you a video series on the topic Climatic regions around the world. This is going to be the sixth part of the series, and the climatic region under focus in today's session is called the tundra region. This is also known as the Arctic or polar climatic region. On the right hand side, there is a map of the world depicting the distribution of the tundra climatic region. It is in the northern hemisphere, mostly in parts of Eurasia, in coastal strip of Greenland, Alaska, northern Russia and northern Canada. Let us now look at the climatic conditions. The tundra region is known to have a periglacial climate, that is 6 months of summer and 6 months of winter. The summers are cool and brief, whereas the winters are long and severe. The warmest month, that is usually in the month of June, does not cross 10 degrees, whereas the coolest period would drop as low as -35 degrees. Precipitation. The tundra region is a cold and dry region. As a result, the moisture content is extremely low. As a result, the rate of evaporation is low, and hence there is an absence of conventional rainfall. In summer, we do have slight rainfall or sleet, but this is a very rare condition. The precipitation is mostly in the form of snow, that is, it may fall as ice crystals or as amalgamated snowflakes. Let us now look at the natural vegetation of the tundra region. Since the climatic condition or the environment is too adverse, it doesn't really support a lot of vegetation. There are no trees, and we mostly find mosses, lichens and sledges in these regions. The drainage system is also very poor, as the subsoil is mostly frozen. Due to the adverse climatic conditions, the human population density in these regions are very low. The economic activities are mostly confined to the coast. The people here are semi-nomadic people. However, in recent years, mineral deposits have been discovered in this region, leading to new settlements. With that, we have come to an end of this video. Hope you found it informative. For any queries regarding anthropology or the courses available in Sourcing Classes, log on to www.sourcingclasses.com. Thank you.